Want to understand the most important step in any e-commerce transaction? Watch this video.
Here we go!
Hi, my name is Simon Dale from Cemoh. If you're interested in more videos about branding, marketing, e-commerce and business, then click the red subscribe button below. Let's jump into the video and find out the most important step in an e-commerce transaction. Is your e-commerce checkout set up properly? Too many businesses are losing sales online because they're missing one simple trick on their website. One of the most important things with your e-commerce business should be to capture the user's email address before they enter in any other information. Why do that? Well, a high percentage of online shoppers abandon their purchase at either the cart or the checkout stage. But if you've managed to capture their email before they leave the site, you can send them a message gently persuading them to come back and finish their purchase.
You got mail.
Now sure, that only works for a small percentage of shoppers, but that small percentage can add up to significant revenue over the year. It's even possible to have the user enter their email and create an account before you show them the shipping costs. As shipping can be a point which many e-commerce brands lose customers, this can be really important. So remember, the later you leave capturing the email address in the purchase process, the less chance you have to reinvigorate the sale. Make it the first step at the checkout and it'll grow your sales. Thanks very much for watching. We hope you learned something. We hope you can apply that to your business. If you like what you saw, please click the red subscribe button and we'll see you next time.